Welcome back to Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. In today's episode, we're delving into the crucial aspects of order management and customer service to ensure seamless operations and happy customers. Let's dive in. Efficient order management is essential for a successful print-on-demand business. Here are some best practices to streamline the process. Use order management software. Invest in order management software to automate repetitive tasks, track orders, and manage inventory. Set clear order fulfillment policies. Establish clear policies for order processing, including turnaround times, shipping methods, and tracking information. Optimize workflow. Create a streamlined workflow for order processing, from receiving orders to shipping them out promptly. Monitor inventory levels. Keep track of inventory levels to prevent stockouts and ensure timely fulfillment of orders. Dealing with returns and exchanges is an inevitable part of running an online business. Here's how to handle them effectively. Create a clear return policy. Develop a transparent return policy that outlines the conditions for returns, exchanges, and refunds. Offer easy returns? Make the returns process hassle-free for customers by providing prepaid return shipping labels and offering refunds or store credits promptly. Track return metrics. Monitor return metrics like return rates, reasons for returns, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and reduce return rates. Stellar customer service can set your print-on-demand business apart from the competition. Here are some tips for providing exceptional customer support. Be responsive. Respond to customer inquiries and messages promptly, ideally within 24 hours. Empower your support team. Provide your support team with the training and resources they need to assist customers effectively. Personalize interactions. Address customers by name and tailor your responses to their specific needs and concerns. Collect feedback. Encourage customers to provide feedback about their experience and use it to improve your products and services. Efficient order management and stellar customer service are essential pillars of a successful print-on-demand business. By implementing best practices for order processing, handling returns, and providing exceptional customer support, you can build trust and loyalty with your customers. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll discuss strategies for scaling your print-on-demand business to new heights. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Thank you for watching Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. See you in the next episode.